Good morning students, myself Ajit Pratap Singh. Today in video number 34th, I will tell you about electric circuit. Apart from this, I will also tell you about what are the elements of electric circuit and what are open and closed circuit. And apart from this, I will let you know about why does a fused bulb not glow. Okay students, so let's start with the electric circuit. When you connect the two ends of a cell to a bulb by using the copper wires, the bulb lights up. Why? Because you have provided a path. Now next slide. Provided a path for the current to flow, and this path is known as the electric circuit. As you can see with the help of these diagrams, that a simple circuit that's showing the flow of electric current in which the bulb is glowing, in which you can see that the cell is there, the wires are there, and also the bulb is there. So every connection is ready and there is no breakage at any point, so that's why the bulb is glowing. In the second diagram you can see there is a broken electric circuit in which there is a broken wire, that's why the bulb is not glowing. And the third one is a electric circuit with a switch. So whenever you will switch it on, it will glow, and whenever you will switch it off, then it will not glow. Now next slide. These are the electrical components. As you can see, first one is cell. This is the symbol of electric cell. Just above the cell you can see, and there is a arrangement in the another picture. You can see there is an arrangement of three cells together. Okay, so this is the a battery of cells. Okay, now we move to the next slide. Apart from this, you can see there is a switch. This is also one of the element of the electric circuit, and there is a bulb as well. Okay, this is also an element of the electric circuit and a bulb. For electric current to flow from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal through the bulb, such a path of an electric current is known as a circuit. So whenever we were talking about the electric circuit, so it was left over there. Okay students, so we can say that electric circuit is a path in which the electric current flows. Okay, and I have also told you about the components of electric circuit, that are switch, wires, apart from this electric cell, etc. Okay students, now I will tell you about complete or closed circuit. Closed circuit is a circuit in which the current flows very easily, and because there is no breakage in a circuit at any point, every connection is ready and every wire is connected properly. Okay, so this is called a complete or closed circuit. Now I will tell you about open or incomplete circuit. Open or incomplete circuit. Open circuit is a circuit in which there is a breakage at some of the point, that's why the current does not flow regularly. So that's why we call it as a disconnection point, or we can ultimately call it as the open or incomplete circuit, because at some point the wire is not connected, that's why it is called the open or broken or incomplete circuit. Okay students, there is a diagram of electric circuit, and with the help of symbols, these are the electrical symbols you can see. This is of switch, this is of cell, and this is of bulb. Okay students, the upper one is of bulb, you can see. This one of bulb, this one of switch, and this one is of cell. Okay students, now we will move to the next slide. So when you want to put off a light or a fan, what do? The switch that you use for this purpose works by breaking the electric circuit. Okay, so the switch is used to break or open the circuit. The switch is an important part of electric circuit. It is present in all circuits. Okay, so switch is present everywhere, so it is one of the most important element of the electric circuit by which you can on or off the device. So components like bulb, wires, cells, and switches, these are very important components of the circuit, or these are also known as the elements of the circuit. Drawing picture of these elements while drawing a circuit is very cumbersome. We therefore use symbols to represent the circuit elements. So that's why we generally use symbols. So we need not to draw the actual diagram of these elements. As I have already shown you the symbols of electric circuit. Okay. Now, do you know why does a fused bulb not glow? There is a reason about it, students, that a fused bulb does not glow even when everything is connected in a closed circuit. One of the reason is why a fused bulb is when its filament break. Why do you think such a bulb does not glow? A bulb does not glow generally because the filament is broken. There is a filament present in the bulb which glows and which gives the light. So whenever it breaks up, the current does not go in the filament or does not flow in the filament. So that's why even though there is a closed circuit, or we can say every wire is connected properly, even then, because of the breakage of the broken filament, the bulb does not glow. So this is the basic reason behind it. Okay students, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great